In this video, I want to show you how to configure the server to accept remote connections from the clients. So we can install the Crow's Nest application on some client machines and have them connect to the database. The first step is to click on your Start button on the server and scroll down to Microsoft SQL Server 2019, hit the drop down and select SQL Server 2019 Configuration Manager. You're going to go ahead and open that application. Okay, and then in the list on the left, you're going to click on SQL Server Network Configuration, and you're going to select Protocols for SQL Express. We're going to look on the right at TCP/IP and see that it's disabled. We need to go ahead and enable this, so we're going to right click it and choose Enable. You'll get this little pop-up. Any changes will be saved, however they'll not take effect until the service is stopped and restarted. So once we're done making changes, we will restart the server. So we'll go ahead and hit OK on that. Now we're going to right click where it says TCP/IP and we're going to choose Properties. This will pop open the TCP/IP Properties window. We're going to click on the IP Addresses tab and we're going to choose a TCP port that clients are going to connect to the server on. Now normally I like to use port 13,000. So I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom of this list over IP all and I'm going to choose TCP port and I'm going to type in 13,000. And then we're going to go ahead and hit OK there. There again, I'm going to get that pop-up telling me we need to restart the service, so I'll hit OK on that, and then we'll go ahead and restart the service by coming back up to SQL Server Services, right-clicking SQL Express, and choosing Restart. Okay, once the SQL Server Services has been restarted, we can move on to the final step for allowing access, and that would be to grant access on port 13,000 through the firewall on this machine. So I'm just going to open up my Windows firewall, Defender Firewall, and we're going to choose Advanced Settings, and we're going to choose a new inbound rules, and we're going to choose New Rule. We're going to have it be accessible through a port and click Next. TCP, and we're going to type in 13,000, the same one that we used in the previous step. And we'll click Next. We're going to allow the connection, so we'll hit Next. Here you can get more specific on exactly what type of networks you want to allow this on. Just for general purposes, I'm going to leave them all checked. Click Next, and then I'm going to give this a name. We'll just call this Crow's Nest, and hit Finish. Okay, and that's it. We can now go to a client machine, install Crow's Nest, and connect to our server via port 13,000.